In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find transactions in QuickBooks Online efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or just getting started with QuickBooks, being able to quickly locate specific transactions is crucial for managing your finances effectively. So let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open your web browser. Chrome is recommended for the best QuickBooks Online experience, but feel free to use whatever you prefer. Head over to quickbooks.intuit.com to access the login page. Once there, enter your credentials and sign in to your account. Now, once you're logged in, you'll notice a search icon that looks like a magnifying glass located at the top right of the screen. This is your quick access to finding what you need without having to navigate through multiple menus. Click on this icon and start by typing in relevant keywords. These could be the name of a customer or vendor, a transaction number, an amount, or even a specific date. QuickBooks will then display a drop-down list of transactions that match your search criteria, allowing you to quickly identify the transaction you're looking for. If you prefer a more detailed search, you'll want to check out the transaction list. Start by clicking Accounting, found on the left-hand sidebar of your screen. From there, navigate to the chart of accounts. This is where all your financial data is categorized. Locate the particular account related to the transaction, perhaps a bank account or any other financial account that applies. Once you've found it, click on View Register or Account History. This will bring up a list of all recent transactions within that account. To make your search even more precise, utilize the filtering options available. You can do this by setting parameters for date, transaction type, or amount. These filters will narrow down the list to help you pinpoint the exact transaction faster. As you scroll through the filtered list, keep an eye out for the transaction you're seeking. For those who wish to take things a step further, QuickBooks offers an advanced search feature. Clicking on the search icon again, select Advanced Search. This tool enables you to apply multiple filters at once. You can specify the transaction type, set a specific date range, and refine your search by customer or vendor. Don't forget to include the amount if that helps narrow it down. With all your filters set, click Search to view the detailed results that match all your criteria. Finally, once you've found the transaction you're interested in, click on it to open up the details. Here you'll have the opportunity to review all the relevant information and even make edits if necessary to ensure everything is accurate. And there you have it, a complete guide to efficiently finding transactions in QuickBooks Online. By leveraging these search tools, you'll be able to manage your financial data with ease and accuracy. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your QuickBooks experience even smoother.